Hi guys, today I'm gonna show you another paper airplane. You need one sheet of A4 paper or US letter size. You start basically folding the paper in half. It's not a difficult one, it's quite an easy one too, and flies fast, straight and fast. It's not one of those planes which turn, it's just straight. So you do that, use your fingernails or maybe some pencil or something if you want. Do it as precisely as you can, because that way if you don't, it doesn't work out at the end, you know. So like that, then you do, sorry, like in that. Like that, then another corner like that, just in the middle to this point. Like that, then the other side, same thing. Press as hard as you can, especially these folds where there's a fair bit of paper accumulated. Then you unfold, okay, and then use these lines as guide. So you fold these in the middle, in middle, like that. Then the other side is the same thing. You can turn the paper when you're actually making it, but I don't want to confuse you, so I'm keeping it in the same line. Don't turn the paper like that too much. Like that, and then back in the middle, like that, these two. And then this little one up to the middle, make sure you press. Like that, so that then you turn, you flip over, okay, and then you turn like that and fold it in the middle. Make sure these two ends meet exactly. Like that. And then the most important, or not the most, but important part, fold these not like that, but almost to the point, so it will be very pointy plane, but it actually flies really nice if you do it like that. Yeah, so you can flip over and do the same thing. So if you don't, like, this is where you fold it. Do it as precisely as you can, because that way it flies better. Like that. And when you look at it from the back, it should look something like that. Open it, more like that. This is how you actually throw it, but that's not the end. Just make these little two ends, just fold probably like about that much. The same thing on the other side. And that's it. That's pretty much it. So when you look from the back, it should look like that. And when you throw it, it flies really straight and fast.